Welcome, Dreamedia family, to another episode. Today, we're going to be installing a brand new, very exciting product that we actually have the exclusive on. This is called Cineluxe, a new, very clean stretch fabric look with incredible audio performance to enhance the clarity and the frequency response within your home cinema. Today, we're going to be actually installing the diffusers here at the room. This is a multi-diffuser. It has absorption on the back side and it has the wavewood diffuser here on the front. Really heavy duty, great quality. I already made videos on our absorption panels, which are going down our sidewalls. In addition to, we have a star ceiling at the front of the space, and I'm going to be adding acoustics to the ceiling as well. If you followed along from the first videos of this build, you probably can already tell my voice is sounding so much better. We had nasty slap echo in this space, but by the time I'm completely done with this room build, it's gonna sound absolutely phenomenal. If you'd like to learn more about Cineluxe or our Dreamedia Plus program for complete home theater builds, we provide everything from the schematics, your sight lines, seating charts, heat maps, really detailed drawings in CAD, all the way through to renderings and 3D animation fly-throughs, and the ability to literally kind of live in the space and visualize yourself in that room. I'm really excited to be offering this new product because, guys, let's just face it, we've been selling audio video equipment going on 14 years now, and we haven't really had a clean high-end finish like this other than going to the extent of stretch fabric and having to coordinate with general contractors in order to get the job done. This is going to be modular, and whenever it's all said and done, I want it to be easy and fast, if at all possible. The verdict is still out. So far, we got a couple tweaks that we need to make on version 1 to make it a faster install, but I am thrilled with the look. The aesthetic as well as the audio performance is already getting so much better. All right, guys, well, stay tuned for this video. We're going to be installing the multi-diffusers here at the rear of the room. This is a new product called Cineluxe. Let's go! All right, guys, so before we actually get into the install, I want you to see the quality of the build. Holy smokes, this thing is no joke, guys. You're not gluing these panels to the wall like some of the other products you may have seen on our site. We still offer all the other options, all the other brands, but I think this is gonna be my new go-to for the more premium installs. Look at how thick the quality is. And the absorption on the backside, if I can pull out the edge here, you can actually see just how thick the absorption is. Look at that. It's like 3 inches of absorption. This is almost like a bass track here at the back of our room. But very, very excited to get this puppy on the wall. Really heavy duty, really great quality, guys. All right, so let's talk about the installation procedure a little bit. So here's what we got. Basically, this is the unit here. It's a perfect square. And then we have brackets right here that mount top and bottom. So one thing that I'll say so far about my product here, this new product from Cineluxe, is I'm not thrilled with the mounting style, okay? Right now, if you look down here, maybe you can see. Let's see if it'll focus for you. It just wants to focus on me. Oh, there we go. You look, it's a J hook, right? And you basically just hook it on the back side of the panel, just like the other ones that I was showing you guys on the sidewalls. You have to hook it top and bottom like this. What I don't like about the mounting style on version 1 here, again, we're the first people ever touching this product, guys, so we're gonna have to work through some bugs, but top and bottom mounting brackets, if you mount it even a little bit off, it doesn't clip in on the bottom and then it throws your whole row off. So I think what we're gonna do on the version 2 is create basically vertical braces as well, so that we ensure that every single back box is perfectly square. And then I would love the ability to connect the back boxes together like a grid. But very simple, just can be quite challenging if I'm being honest, if you haven't done it before. Now that I've done a few, I'm getting a lot better. So I'm gonna start bolting these to the wall and getting these diffusers up on the rear of the room. Let's go.
I left that day with a lunchbox.
All right, guys, so what are you gonna need for this install? We're gonna need a drill, as well as we're gonna need a level here, and we're gonna need some screws. Got a whole box of drywall screws and drywall anchors. Keep in mind, in this room, we have a soundboard behind the entire room, and then drywall over it. Oh, right, Dreamedia family, that back wall diffuser went out quick. And honestly, I am blown away at how much absorption they had inside of it. This Cineluxe stuff is premium. I'm thrilled so far. Little tweaks, I believe, needed for our mounting template and the back brackets in order to streamline the process. But all in all, I'm happy. It's looking good out here, guys. So I'm gonna continue on to my front left wall. You can see I got out my panels laid out right now. We're gonna be going 3 high and 4 across. That way the LEDs align straight with the other side. So I'm gonna start right here on the edge, well, one of the sides, I haven't decided yet. And then I'm gonna be mounting them just like I did the right wall. Now keep in mind, you guys see a speaker right here? We can actually remove the back piece right here. So this basically absorption core back here. Now that I have my core out, if you look, I'll hold it up, you can see straight through. So the audio will just fire straight through here and kind of look just like this. Now, keep in mind, we're gonna do this like really cool door that's kind of like a hidden bookshelf right here. So this trim is gonna go out a little bit further. But I just wanted to show you guys real quick how that piece comes out on the back side there. So, nice and easy, we're gonna be moving along. All right, guys, we're moving on to our front left wall. This is absorption plus absorption with LED integration. Clean. All right, Dreamedia family, we are moving along with this install. We actually have our front walls, our side walls completely installed on the left and the right. We got our rear diffuser up, and now I'm gonna move on to our screen. This is temporary. As you can see, we had some framing issues here on the front wall that can't really be addressed due to structural concerns. So we're gonna wrap this front wall in a stretch fabric on a later date, and we're gonna be installing today our 110-inch acoustically transparent 4K, 8K ready screen up on the wall. I know you guys are gonna nitpick it and say, oh, Zach, the speakers aren't centered. I am aware. and we will be fixing it at a later date. But let's get the screen together. All right, bringing in the acoustically transparent screen. First things first, you'll see the black skim that goes behind the screen right here. And then we have our screen fabric itself. This is a tab tension screen, which means these rods are actually going to run down each part of the fabric to ensure that it stays nice and tight. Couple brackets. This is our center brace. And then this is our frame right here. So we got our sides, left and right. We got our top and bottoms right here. And these are going to connect together like this. And this screen is going to take up most of the wall, but because I am extremely particular, a very anal person, the woofers being off balance will drive me crazy. So we will be back to fabric wrap the whole front wall so that it's not notable. Got a little bit of hardware here. Hardware kit, our tabs.
Can't see! The town of paradise.
Where do you need to get to?
My son's up there at his grandma.